A big thanks to today's sponsor StreamYard. Weddings are personal celebration of love, and because it's that special, you will want to make it one of the most memorable days of your life. That also means complete chaos to get everything right. As you are entering a new phase of your life, choose only what makes you feel comfortable on the days leading up to your wedding. Today I am sharing some must have bridal lingerie so you can wear all your favorite dresses at your Sangeet, Haldi, cocktail parties and your wedding, even for your honeymoon. All the links for the products mentioned in today's video will be in the description box. Non-padded, non-wired. If light and breezy is how you want to feel, you won't want pads or underwires in your way. That's why the non-padded and non-wired bras are absolute essential on your pre-wedding days. They feel soft on your skin, give good support and comfort for you to move around or even lounge in. Non-padded and non-wired bras will keep you comfortable while you handle all your pre-wedding appointments. So this non-wired, non-padded bra is so comfortable. It has a little thick layer of fabric on the body. Other than that, it's a simple bra. It feels so comfortable. You can just wear it the whole day. Lace bras. What's a wedding without some lace? Look for the lace that is delicate and has beautiful designs. They should be soft against your skin. You can look for trendy floral net-like patterns with sheer finish. Those will go right into your trousseau. You can wear them under your wedding gowns, lehengas and so much more because nowadays you get so many shades that can go with any wedding theme. I have this lace bra here. It has all floral details. The inside will be a soft fabric and the outside you have beautiful lace design happening. So you can choose from many different shades of lace bras. Bring out the low neck dresses and blouses when you have all the proper support with push-up bras. You can pick between wired or non-wired styles and pair them with your wedding attire to highlight your cleavage and neckline. You're guaranteed to steal the show. When it's your wedding, you want nothing short of special and stunning. These bras have padding towards the bottom side of the bra that help in giving a pushed up look as the name suggests. The push-up bra is for those of you who want to show off some subtle cleavage and neckline in a stunning blouse or long dress. The different variety of bridal colors which are available in the market, you can sport your V necklines with nothing but confidence. Strapless bras. Pair them right with your off-shoulder dresses or halter neck blouses because they are perfect for giving you amazing shape and support. You won't have to worry about slipping because they are well equipped with silicone grip tapes on the neckline and the wings. All brides out there add these strapless bras to your wedding wardrobe if you want to stay comfortable while you show off your stylish outfits. Here I have one strapless bra. Actually these are multi-purpose ones. They have the straps. You can remove them and wear them as strapless. And as I was mentioning, they have all the silicone grip around the neckline, around the wings and under the bust, everywhere. So this is like very comfortable to wear and you must own one of this. You will get different colors in this. You can choose whatever you want. This bra, I've been showing this bra in many of my videos. If you haven't watched my bra related videos, you can click the link here or a link will be in the description box to watch. While we are talking about strapless bras, there is one more variety. So this one looks like this. This is also multi-purpose. It has straps. You can remove them. but this one has extra layer of fabric over here which will make it look like a tube bra. You can wear this with your tube tops or any tops without showing the differentiation of the cup on your bust. Padded wired bras. Whether you are going out for a family lunch or hanging out with friends to catch up at a cafe, you can get yourself these padded bras or wired bras that go seamlessly under all your outfits. Depending on what you want, well-shaped chest or to give your breast a gentle lift, these styles are a must in your trousseau. Here is a regular padded and underwired bra for you. I have different shades in it. These can be worn for any outfit. They'll be very comfortable. Plunge bras. These are available in a range of padded and non-wired styles. These go under all your extra daring deep v-neck outfits. Pick them out and match them up with your plunging necklines, and rest assured you are making a few heads turn. Bralettes. From lace and cotton to polyamides and printed fabrics, bralettes come in all sorts of designs for you to choose from. These cutesy styles provide adequate coverage and can even be worn as a crop top if you pair it right with some high-rise pants. Running on some errands before your wedding, then these bralettes are just what you need for a breezy look. Pair it up with a printed shirt or a floral blazer and you are good to go. So here I have a bralette to show you. This is a lacy one and it has a light padded fabric inside, so it gives a full coverage and it is really good. This one has no padding inside, it's just a double layer of lace. It is completely lace, so you can pick out from lace, cotton, padded, non-padded, different shades. You can pick out from many options which are available in the market today. Let me quickly give you some tips. When you are buying your lingerie online, make sure to find your correct size. You can watch this video to know how to do that. Video link will also be in the description box. Once you've figured out your size, order for one cup size up and down so you can return the ones that doesn't fit you. Don't forget to check the return policies. Tummy tuckers. When you want to have that perfect shape and hide those extra bulges around your tummy and thighs, you must go for a tummy tucker. These are very stretchable and they instantly give you a defined shape. If you are planning to wear a bodycon dress or a beautiful evening gown, these tummy tuckers are a must in your wardrobe. This one here is thigh length tummy tucker. It goes until under your bra line, and it has this feature here which will cover the thigh shape as well, and it is super stretchy and it feels very comfortable when you wear it. And there are other models like these ones which are just panty style, but it has a wide waist which will hold your tummy in. Night suits. These are for the shy brides who prefer simple and classic styles. These chic styles are made of breathable fabric and feel super lightweight on your skin. Choose these night suits that come in cotton as you comfortably drift off into a world of your dreams. Escape from all the wedding chaos and enjoy your post-honeymoon glow with these cozy night suits. Now about today's sponsor, StreamYard. All the collaboration videos with industry experts you see on my channel are created through StreamYard. You can create videos with others by being in any city or any country. StreamYard makes it really easy. I have tried different platforms for live streams or collaborations. I strongly feel StreamYard is the easiest among those. Click the topmost link to check out StreamYard. Thanks to StreamYard for sponsoring this video. Hope you got ideas for your must-have bridal lingerie from this video. Share it with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.